Good day, ma'am. This is my business proposal. It's all about Chinese clothing business proposal. Now let's move to my business overview. First is my business name, which is Genie's Clothing. And the type of business is all about clothing. And the target market are the teenagers. And the location of this business will be in Mambool, Duero, Bohol. Okay, let's move to my business goals or objectives. First goal is launch and establish Jenny's Clothing in Mambool, Duero, Bohol within the first 3 months. The second goal is build the brand awareness among at least 70% of teenagers in Duero within 6 months. And the third goal is achieve a monthly sales target of 100 clothing items by the end of the first year. Then the fourth goals or objectives is introduce new design every 2 months and produce the different styles and provide or introduce different styles like aesthetics designs that will surely attract the interest of teenagers. And last goal and the last goals is promote sustainable fashion through eco-friendly packaging. Now let's move to the special features. First is trendy and affordable streetwear for teens. And secondly is all about customizable clothing names, codes, and graphics. They are free to customize the design they want in the cloth. Then third is it is eco-friendly packaging. And fourth is loyalty program for frequent buyers. And fourth special features is pop-up booths in schools and events. And lastly, social media engagement with teen influencer. And that's all for my business proposal, ma'am. Thank you.